Let's learn how to create a professional photo with AI for free. So let's get started. Head over to Ideogram, click on the first link. Make sure you are logged in. You need to write a prompt. 21-year-old American man wearing formals posing for LinkedIn, red light in background. After that, you need to select 1.0 and select aspect ratio 1:1 and then click on generate. As you can see, the images have generated. I like this one, so click on three dots and download as JPEG. After that, go to Remaker AI. It is a free. You can simply upload the image which you have downloaded and the image which you want to swap. This is the image. Okay, click on swap. We need to log in first. If we sign in with Google, we will get 30 free credits. Now we can swap this space. Click on swap. As you can see here, it is converted into HD professional looking photo. If you want to upscale it, you can simply upscale. It will also take 1 credit. Now you can see the difference. Simply click on download. As you can see here, a professional looking photo in HD has downloaded, so you can use it on LinkedIn, Resume or any other freelance platform. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.